In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer emails from one Gmail account to another, whether it's to a different Gmail or a G Suite account. This process is incredibly useful when you're moving to a new account or just need to consolidate your emails in one place. We'll be guiding you through this step by step, so let's dive in. First, you'll need to go to Gmail and log into the account where you want to receive the emails. Make sure you're in the right inbox so you can smoothly proceed with the transfer process. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your inbox. Here, you'll find a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Click on this gear icon and then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you'll see multiple tabs. Find and click on the one labelled Accounts and Import. This tab is where you can manage a variety of settings related to importing emails and contacts from other accounts. Next, you're going to see an option called Import Mail and Contacts. Click on this to start the transferring process. You'll be prompted to enter the email address and password of the Gmail account you want to import emails from. Make sure you have these credentials ready to avoid any delays. Enter the information carefully and proceed to the next step. Google will then guide you through a series of prompts to authorize access. This step is crucial as it allows Google to retrieve emails and contacts from your source account. Ensure that you follow these prompts carefully, granting all the necessary permissions to facilitate the transfer. During this process, you have the option to decide how you want the imported emails to be handled. You can choose to label incoming messages, which can be quite handy for organization, or simply let them come into the inbox as they are. If you choose to label them, it might help you sort and find emails more efficiently later on. Finally, when you have everything set up the way you want, go ahead and click on Start Import. This will initiate the transfer process. Please be aware that depending on the volume of emails you're transferring, this process might take some time. It's perfectly normal, so be patient as your emails make their way into your new account. And that's it. By following these steps, you should have successfully transferred your emails from one Gmail account to another. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look and which settings to adjust. I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you manage your email migration. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.